Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you the nail design number 3. Here I'm start applying the clear acrylic from a Secret. Now I'm gonna apply the cover rose from a Secret. Now I'm gonna use these stickers from Hansen. And I'm gonna use this nail glue from a Secret. Now I'm gonna encapsulate this nail using the clear acrylic powder from a Secret. Here in my middle finger, I'm gonna use this black acrylic powder that I create on my own. And I'm gonna try to do an ombre design. Now I'm gonna use this pink color that I also create on my own. This is the first time that I try to do an ombre design. Now in the ring finger, I'm gonna use the black acrylic powder that I create. Here in my pinky finger, I'm gonna do the same design that I did in the middle finger. I'm gonna do a ombre design. Now I'm gonna encapsulate these nails using the clear acrylic powder from Mia's Secret, and I'll be back. This is how it looks after I encapsulate and file all my nails. I'm gonna use this builder gel from Mia's Secret to apply some crystals in my index finger. Here I'm using my crystal katana tool to pick up my crystals. This is how it looks. Now in the ring finger, I'm gonna do some foil design. I'm gonna use this foil and I'm gonna use this glue. I'm gonna apply it on the nail and I'm gonna let it dry. This is how it looks after I let it dry. Now I'm gonna apply my design. Now I'm gonna apply some glass finish gel and this is how it looks. It looks beautiful. This is all for this video. Thank you all for watching. The name of the products that I use in this video are down below in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!